retire, but that's a lot for those heavy feet, you know?
Yeah, for
So
sure.
he's freaking awesome. I've had him since he was 8 months old, so. Yeah, I love the drafts. They're like definitely my favorite.
Yeah.
Horse breed.
Good boy. Good boy.
They're super rare out here, the Shires. I mean, there's less than 20,000 registered Shires in the world, actually.
Really? Where'd
I mean,
you
that's
get 'em?
registered ones, but what's that?
Where'd you get them?
New Boston, Illinois.
Oh, wow.
They're all back east. It's crazy. I think he's one of 5 in Arizona registered Shires. That's what the registry told me.